Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to leverage ChatGPT and Gemini AI for incredible PowerPoint presentations. First, choose your topic. Specify keywords and main ideas to input into ChatGPT. Next, ask ChatGPT to draft an outline. It helps organize your thoughts logically. Now, enhance it with Gemini AI for visual suggestions and design layouts. Incorporate AI-generated content into your slides. It fills in text and images swiftly. Finally, review and customize your presentation. Personal touches make all the difference. Keep slides concise. Use bullet points to highlight key information. Utilize high-quality visuals for engagement. Stunning graphics capture attention. Practice your presentation. Familiarity boosts delivery confidence. Finally, enjoy the process. Creating with AI can be fun and rewarding. With these tips, you're ready to impress your audience with superb presentations. Thank you for watching. Happy presenting!